Welcome, I'm Laura, and in this training I'll show you how reconciling your balance sheet the right way will fix the bottom line on your profit and loss. Then all you have to do is review that expenses are categorized correctly. First, let me tell you a little about my new channel, Run It Like the Rich. I have worked as a small to medium-sized business accountant and back office support for over 20 years. I have real experiences working side by side self-made millionaires. The most successful did not go to college and did not have family money. They practiced habits that I want to share with you here on Run It Like the Rich. I've noticed owners become less informed now that have so much information. They don't know what login to start with or which of the 50 report options is the best. They don't have a handle of projects and deadlines like they should. They keep assuming the cloud has it taken care of, and they can't remember what cloud it is in. I'll show you how to get organized without overcomplicating things, using tools you likely already pay for, like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Hit follow or subscribe if that sounds like your kind of support. Please subscribe, like, and share with other business owners. Okay, let's get started on the best way to reconcile your books each month. This will get faster and faster to do, and you will feel good that your numbers are right. Most people try to fix their P&L first, but if the balance sheet isn't right, the P&L won't be either. Every number on the balance sheet should have something real behind it, and when something changes, it should have a reason and a paper trail. Here's what I mean by tying out. Each balance sheet account should match something in real life. Your bank account should match the statement. Accounts receivable should match your open invoices. Every number should connect back to something concrete. Here's my trick. In QuickBooks, run the balance sheet for last month and use the Compare to Another Period feature. Select Change, then filter to show only rows and columns with activity. Now you'll see what changed, and each month or quarter after you do the first one, you will only need to tie out the accounts that have changes. People get confused by the balance sheet, but it is actually very simple. What is in the bank in QBO? What is on your month-end statement? Do this for loans, credit cards, savings accounts, fixed asset changes. Upload the asset purchase. Make sure it is not a regular expense. Fixed assets should be $2,500 to $5,000 or greater. For every account that shows a change, go in and tie it out. Check the details. Match it to a statement, a list, or backup. Attach documents in QBO so it's audit ready. If something doesn't make sense, note it for cleanup. These are common red flags: negative cash balances, expenses coded as fixed assets, suspense accounts with random stuff. If something feels off, it probably is. These issues will be another video all by itself. Want to really impress your business CPA for tax time? Export your balance sheet with the change column and drop it into Google Sheets. Then hyperlink each number to the actual backup. Aging reports, reconciliations, even scanned documents. Now your tie-out is clickable. This method stops the guessing. It brings order to chaos. It finds misclassified expenses and makes sure every number has proof. This is how you get confident books. If this step is not done, you will be amazed what can easily hide in the balance sheet and not get noticed. I found monthly fees going to a fixed asset software account every month for years. When this needs to be fixed, it will have to be adjusted in the current year if taxes are done, and it will create a big spike in that expense and drive you nuts for years. Remember, you are the keeper of the books. Most of the time, your CPA or tax preparer will not tie these accounts out. They assume you are doing it. I have found as much as $56,000 in business expenses stuck incorrectly in an equity account. This is why setting up rules in QBO bank fees is so important. Don't count on QBO AI to always be correct. Use rules as much as possible, and before you know it, your monthly transaction entering, bank reconcile and reporting will be cut in half or more. Enter SOP below, and I will send you the detailed SOP. Thank you for checking out my channel. I'm going to be posting suggestions to help business owners, bookkeepers, and admin staff go back to basics. I am teaching common sense, real business practices to be able to expand your revenue, but not your overhead costs. Once you have an efficient bookkeeping, compliance, and administrative system in place, you can grow without adding to your payroll. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment on what you want to learn about or an exact question. I will contact you directly.